Yes guys, it's your boy Alexander Royo. So as tomorrow is Bitcoin halving, it happens every after 10 years. So we are expecting a big move from Bitcoin, and so I'm to do an analysis to give out my thinking, what I think of Bitcoin. Is it to buy or sell? But for me, I think Bitcoin has been buying for a long time. So, and many investors are investing in Bitcoin, buying many Bitcoins. I think it's a trick for me. For me, I think Bitcoin, there are many rumors going around that Bitcoin is to buy because many investors are buying more Bitcoin, investing in Bitcoin, expecting price to go higher. So for me, I think it's a tricking people to buy Bitcoin, then the big institution, because of their greed, to sell it and make good money. So let me do my analysis. This is just my thinking. So let me first connect my phone to the charger, because I think it's my battery is low. So let me go to charts and I explain why I'm saying Bitcoin is to sell, not to buy. So when you go to charts, let me use trading view. So let me go to Bitcoin, BTC. So this is the chart for Bitcoin. For me, so price, I did this analysis some time back, and I told people Bitcoin is to sell. I gave this signal somewhere around up here, and Bitcoin, I first saw this move. Bitcoin cleared this liquidity up here, so I expected Bitcoin to sell up to this level to clear the liquidity. So the first move, we got some good money. Even in the second move, you see here, Bitcoin has cleared the liquidity below this area here. So now it is buying, looking for internal liquidity, which is resting in here. So Bitcoin may first buy, so Bitcoin may first buy to get the internal liquidity in form of fair value gap. Then I expect this to drop for me, because there is still fair value liquidity resting below here, and a fair value gap at this side here to be cleared. And this is the daily time frame. Let me redo the charts. Let me redo the analysis. So let me go to monthly, 1 month analysis, and I explain according to the candlesticks. So let me first delete all the, where is this thing? Delete all the drawings. So done. So as you can see here, Bitcoin, every time price clears an external liquidity, price has to look for internal liquidity. So at the monthly, this is the previous higher high of Bitcoin. So as you can see, price came and here this external liquidity, you can see there, external liquidity, it is cleared. How is it making this? This is money, liquidity, but it's clear. That's why I'm putting it in color red. So now liquidity is resting above here. where money is now. Let me turn it to blue. So there, Bitcoin liquidity is less on this previous higher high, because previously this liquidity was cleared by this move. So when I go to, every time price clears an external liquidity, so this is external liquidity was cleared by this move, price has to look for internal liquidity. So that's why Bitcoin has been selling this candle, as you can see. Let me delete this and draw a box on this candle right here. So price, as you can see, has not cleared the down liquidity of this candle or the imbalance. So let me turn it to black and this white. So this, as you can see, this candle, its liquidity at the downside is not yet cleared, and at the top here, liquidity here is not cleared, and at the bottom liquidity is not cleared. And on the monthly, you can see there is the monthly FVG starting from here up to there. So every time price clears an external liquidity, it has to sell to look for internal liquidity. So let me mark this, starting from here up to here, there is the monthly FVG. Yeah, let me change its color to some this. Yes, monthly FVG. This, let me also write, this is the monthly FVG. It's not cleared, so price has to tap into this monthly FVG to now look for external liquidity. Yeah, yes, every time price clears an external liquidity, it has to look for internal liquidity. So this is where I'm expecting price to go during the Bitcoin halving. So let me go to the daily time frame. Where is the daily? Here you go. So as you can see there, this is the analysis. As you can see there, let me go back to the monthly to take a screenshot of this analysis. There. So let me go to the daily now, daily time frame. So as you can see, this analysis, it's what I based on, and you can see here there is what they call what made this area to sell. Let me see this. The previous analysis I showed you, it was here, price swept the liquidity here. So then I told my people that Bitcoin is to sell. So it has cleared the liquidity down here and down here, but it has not tapped into this monthly FVG, this monthly FVG. This monthly FVG price has not yet tapped into it. You see? You see? Monthly FVG. Price has not yet tapped into it. And when I go to line charts, as you can see, price made a change of character around here. So this is a high, this is a low, then price broke the previous high, this one broke it. So as you can see here, price came back and broke the previous low, this. So price changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. So this price bought to come back and balance price. This is what they call this candle here. Price made what they call let me see, we are on a daily time frame. So price made a daily BPRA here up to this candle here, daily BPRA. That's why price failed to break out of it, away from it daily. This is a daily BPRA, daily BPRA. You see there, that is a daily BPRA. That's why price failed to break away from it and it sold. You see, sold, but it has not yet cleared, tapped into this monthly FVG. So that's why I'm expecting price to sell. That's why I'm expecting price to sell, Bitcoin to sell. For me, this is what I think, because if big institutions wants to make money, they have to trick people to do the opposite. So they are tricking people saying that Bitcoin is to buy. But for me, I think it's to sell, to tap into this monthly FVG, that is internal liquidity. Then you can look for buying opportunities. But until then, if price has not yet tapped into this monthly FVG, don't expect to buy. It will be a trick, tricking people to buy, then it will sell. So let me go to, so this is my analysis on Bitcoin. Let me hope you have learned something.